Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to change the subnet mask on your Windows 11 PC. Whether you're setting up a home network or customizing your IP settings, this guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and then open Settings. You can also just press Windows plus I on your keyboard to get there faster. Once you're in Settings, look at the left panel and click on Network and Internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, click on Ethernet. Now, under your connection network, you will see a section that says IP Assignment. Next to it, there is a button that says Edit. Click on that. A small window will pop up. By default, it's probably set to Automatic or DHCP. To change the subnet mask, you will need to switch it to Manual. Once you select Manual, turn on the toggle for IPv4. Now you will be able to enter your IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and preferred DNS. Under Subnet, this is where the subnet mask is actually entered. But instead of typing it as 255.255.2550, you will enter the prefix length, which for 255.2550 is 24. For example, if you want the subnet mask to be 255.255.255.255.128, you would use 25. If you're not sure what prefix length to use, you can search online for a subnet calculator. It will convert it for you. Once you have filled in all the fields, scroll down and hit Save. Windows will apply the changes immediately. You might see your connection reset for a few seconds. Don't worry, that's normal, and that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech tutorials. Got questions or want a video on a specific network setup? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.